This is where
Come
you
on, give me some
gotta. We
motivation.
talked about it yesterday. This is where you really need to not hit that reverse button, guys. If you start seeing prices go back and forth.
Yeah. Dixie's starting to kind of push lower. Crude is still kind of got that uptrend going.
I'd love to see us just push the 400 and just finally rip through, but obviously it's lunch hour.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Oh, coming up to the bottom of the hour now. Still ranging here during the New York lunch session.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they can give us a decent trend for New York lunch. Can do
Yeah, all
nothing.
week. I feel like it's been the same scenario all damn week, just trying to find some pennies out here.
Yeah, pretty much. Come on, get it down. There we go. Come on. Get this thing down.
Literally, give me some volume to the downside, not these baby moves.
Exactly. Let's move this boat.
We're getting something. See if we can actually continue.
Sheesh.
Spoke too soon, huh? Been bouncing back and forth off VWAP. You have VWAP on your chart, Riz?
Yes, I got VWAP up at 24,512 and a quarter.
White line, okay.
You're on the 5, yeah.
Oh, you're
Right
talking
on
about
my
ES
curve.
now.
No, that's in Q.
Yeah, he was talking about ES. That makes sense.
Oh, yes.
What's that indicator on the bottom you have? Is that like a MACD or something?
That is a L3 banker. So
Oh.
when it fires, yeah, when it fires off, that usually means you have an influx of volume. You've got a big banker level you're at.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I was,
Kind of similar to like a money flow or something like that.
yeah, it's kind of like that. I grabbed
Okay.
that because Mike used to always talk about his banker levels, and that
Right.
kind of helped me kind of identify it without me doing the math.
Oh, love it. Here's 450, guys. Can we get it?
Oh, let's
Can
go.
she go?
Well, I think she can go.
Once we break 450, I'm de-risking to at least break even. I'm in a little bit heavier than you.
Yeah, I'm a little down, so I got to make up some losses. So just taking my time with it.
You got a little bit better entry than me, though. I'm gonna true RQ. I got it around 467, so you got a couple points on me. So I want to see this 450 break, give me some breathing room, then just watch it die.
Yeah. Well, thanks, RQ. I try to watch my manly figure.
That's why he drinks the diet pina coladas at the tiki bar, right?
I wish. And those pina coladas were good. I'm not gonna lie.
They
That
were. I
Miami
agree with you.
Vice. That Miami. Yeah, I can't wait till our next
Man,
trip.
this 450 bounce, killing me.
Ha. That's an ugly rejection on the Russell.
Ooh, come on, come on.
Come
Let me make this risk
on.
free. Steve's permission passport. All right, I'm de-risked, guys. I'm not gonna mess around with this. Hopefully, we don't just wick up. Oh, as soon as I said it, it wakes up. Classic.
Right?
Classic.
Because they don't want to let it go. They're fighting it. It's the bulls fighting right there. These are like 4-hour supports right there. That 448 on NASDAQ is a 4-hour support. So you got to get that candle to open below it so that you can open up your next level below, which will take you down to 404. So you have like a 48 point, 44 point drop ish, give or take.
Yeah, and that lines up perfectly with today's 0.5 fib. So there's just a bunch of stuff at this level.
Mm-hmm. Judge, Steve already signed and sealed that that delivery, my friend. We cleared it. We cleared it, early this morning. We even shamatted it.
Actually, going to take half my size off here. We bounced off it too many times, so
Yeah,
fully de-risked and half size now.
it's not that bad.
Nice little 20 points. That'll pay the bills. Back in about 2 minutes, Riz.
2 minutes. Oh, stopped out. I'm glad I had my stop in the money. Yeah, interesting how the market has taken the news, kind of shrugging off all the news that we got today. Not exactly the way you would assume. Yeah, catching a bid now to the upside, it looks like. Oh, the bull's gonna take this thing. What does the heat map look like? You still there, Justin? Can you guys hear me? Okay, good. Oh, Justin's muted. Okay. He probably got a phone call or something. And look at that, Ron, holding your level right there on our old chart. That 4-hour support, strong. That was that pivot that we got. You know that? It's crazy, right? Got about 20 minutes till the top of the hour. Justin got liquidated for being too heavy. Sheesh. It's like Heavy D and the boys right here. Imagine being liquidated with one mini micro. Be like, ooh. We're gonna buy this thing up. Is that what we're doing? Oh my god. It looks like they want to
Oh
buy
man,
this
I
up.
looked away for 2 seconds and I got stopped. Huh?
Yeah, it makes two of us.
I got liquidated. No, I was de-risked RQ. We're all good. We still made money on that play.
It's starting to dip. The market dipping with silver or crude.
That 500 test again. Man, we are tight, tight, tight. This thing's gonna move. Make a big move at some point. Fibonacci. Dude, AI is just insane now.
I love AI. Yeah, you know, I've been using Gemini to build some apps for me, right? And it's been a kind of a painful process because I have to copy and paste everything, right? And I was like, my friend had shown me Claude and how Claude puts the file, it'll give you the zip file with everything you need in it. And you don't have to do any of that work, basically. It cuts all that effort out of the copy and pasting and moving files around for you.
Yeah, you were
And
saying that yesterday.
man, it is awesome. I fixed almost all my problems. I was able to find some APIs that were embedded in some code and be able to pull all the data I wanted. I made all these adjustments to my application. It came out awesome. For my first like program I've ever made myself, I was really, really happy.
No, that's great. 4475 is kind of a magnet. Yeah, I mean, you're not wrong. It's really tough to trade a 25-point range.
It's so hard.
I kind of figured when I de-risked I was going to get stopped out, but I didn't want to see the play go red.
Nobody ever does.
Yeah. I go back and forth, especially when the market's contracting like this. I don't like to just put TP and stop loss and walk away, just because it's so bouncy that it'll just bounce around and profit red over and over and over. I'd rather just take a little bit of money and de-risk. But when we got a trend, oh man, let that sucker just play out. But that took me a long time to be able to identify a range day or a trend day, or it'd be too late. Got any exciting plans this weekend, Riz?
I'm not sure. It's up to the wife, whatever she's got planned for us.
There you go. That's how
I
it's
never
done.
make plans. I never
Nice.
make plans unless my buddies call me up and are like, "Hey, you want to go? Here, here, and here." That's the only time I'll like come up with my own plans. Either that or like my sons be like, "Hey, Dad, we're getting you out of the house," and I'm like, "Let's go."
I like that. Or spur of the moment.
Mm-hmm. Gonna
I
make
just
an
can't
M
believe how
here.
tight this chart is getting. I'm looking at the 30-minute chart and it's contracting like crazy. This thing right back to 450. Watch. Funny to watch.
Yes. Oh man, this time of day, tough.
Yeah, no kidding.
You're gonna break this thing down finally.
Yep, they just had to sweep us, stop us out. Now it's gonna run to 400.
Of
Seen this tail too many times.
course it will.
I mean, if you're not in or still in, it's a little too late to get in my opinion. Especially when we're in a tight range. FOMO trades do not end up working out.
Mm-hmm. Sheesh. Of course.
Yep, there it goes. Oh well, it is what it is.
Yep.
Turns out the 500 was the entry, but
We would have known, right? Dang. Exactly. I was tricked.